Hey, Kimberly Thibodeaux here. I thought I'd share an experience I had recently because I have a feeling it might be happening to you too. My eyes were starting to become very uncomfortable, dry, blurry, and tired. Also, I was getting headaches. It was becoming more and more difficult to keep my eyes open for long periods of time. Luckily for me, my husband is an eye doctor, and he gave me a few excellent tips that I'm sure will help you as well. You know, as online marketers, we often spend hours at a time staring at the computer. It's so easy to lose track of time. My husband told me that I had developed computer vision syndrome, and that in order to reduce the eye strain I was having due to spending all my day at the computer, I needed to practice what's called the 20-20-20 rule. The computer screen is quite bright, and therefore, if you don't blink as often as you should, you can get dry eyes, possibly followed by blurriness or redness. To help deal with this problem, the 20-20-20 rule suggests that after every 20 minutes, you should take a break for at least 20 seconds and look at objects that are 20 feet away, hence 20-20-20. Look out the window and stare at that blue jay for 20 seconds, or lean back and close your eyes, whatever it takes to help you feel better. Also, keep that screen clean. Fingerprints and dust can cause even more stress to already strained eyes. Want to take it to the next level? Why not move around a little? These days, you know, we're all being told that if we don't get up and move enough, we need to take those 10,000 steps we're supposed to do. Use the stairs instead of the elevator. Find the farthest parking space from the mall. You know the drill. Or why not just get a cup of coffee or a glass of water? We all need to drink more water. Get up, go talk to your coworker for a few minutes. Go outside and walk around the block. Make a phone call to a loved one. Anything to give those poor, overworked peepers a break. And maybe burn a few calories at the same time. Now I know what you're thinking. How am I supposed to remember to take a break every 20 minutes? Well, we are living in the 21st century, so of course there are a number of free apps out there that we can set and forget. Love My Eyes is a very simple app to use with custom notifications. Also, Chrome has an extension called Eye Care, which is again extremely simple to install and use. One more thing. If trying this little self-help tool still doesn't ease the pain, please go see your eye doctor. My husband told me there's been a lot of information with regard to dry eyes in the last year or two, so please see the doc if you're still having discomfort. In addition, I have one more suggestion for those 20-minute timers, especially for those of us in the online marketing field. Use those annoying little alarms as a reminder to keep you on track. Have you used those prior 20 minutes doing something that will move your business forward? Or were you scrolling through your newsfeed or checking out Snapchat? We can all use help to keep us rolling in the right direction, right?